Okay, it is Tuesday and we've been working our tail off on this puppy here. Got a pretty unique problem on the harness. Let me turn this around. We have got the wiper motor working and we've got everything going, but the wiper power is only pushing out 5.7 volts. And it's a separate circuit with nothing else on it. So at this point, we're trying to figure out where it's coming from. The census so far is that it seems like we're getting a feedback loop and it's only showing the 5.7 volts. So as soon as we get that squared away, we're good to go, because we've run that the wiper motor with a hot power to it, and it runs like a scalded dog, and that's pretty much the last part of it. So we'll get going and we'll see what it is. I'll post some more video of me working on it tomorrow. You guys like and subscribe. See you later.